Now, this is going to be a short video for those of you who are website owners. If you have a website and you are not yet taking advantage of digital marketing or video marketing because you cannot create a video about your business, then you are in the right place. Supervids is all about creating video or editing video for you at your disposal. So, what are these website videos that we create for companies or people such as you?
Do you have a wedding, birthday or special occasion booked? Need to capture those memories that last a lifetime? T4 Photo Booth guarantees high-speed photo printing on site. Your guests will receive a picture with every visit to the booth. Guaranteed fun for your guests. No hidden charges. Get everything you need to make your event a success.
We create website videos that you can then take and use for yourself on your own website. But it doesn't stop there. We create these videos by utilizing pre-production research that we do for your business. This includes keyword research and a lot more. This ensures the success of your video and making sure that the traffic that you win is of high quality. We take the video that we create for your website and we upload it to our official YouTube channel. Once we have done that, we then create adverts that make sure that we win you, your audience, and your high quality traffic. So click through to our website www.supervids.online to find more information and the pricing of the package that will suit you